Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the DESFLOW Bluetooth 5 FM car transmitter. In the box, you'll get a user manual and a DESFLOW wireless FM smart transmitter charges. The DESFLOW FM transmitter stands out by featuring two charging ports, QC 3.0 quick charge port and PD 18W fast charge. This allows it possible to charge two devices simultaneously. You can play music of your phone files via wireless transmission. Spacious sound is ensured with DSP technology. Turn it on, and you'll enjoy crystal clear dialogues and live musical tunes inside of your cars. Easy to set up, simply plug DESFLOW FM smart transmitter into your car cigarette lighter, choose a car's empty FM frequency, from 87.5 to 108 MHz, and tune FM transmitter into the same frequency. And connect to phone Bluetooth. It will automatically transform your car into smart modes with quick charging, stereo hi-fi music, hands-free calling, and voice control.
Connection success.
When I'm underneath the bright lights, when I'm trying to have a good time. Photos. Oh, na 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 na. I'm over you, and I don't need you no more.
With hands-free calls and Siri voice assistant, DESFLOW wireless FM smart transmitter use noise cancellation technology for clear hands-free calls, just by pressing the calling button 3 times to initiate Siri voice assistant, so that you are able to drive safely. You can also press the button twice to redial the last phone call. With 3.0 QC technology and PD Type-C, DESFLOW wireless FM smart transmitter charges your smart devices so fast that you can get 80% in 30 minutes, which is 4 times faster than traditional chargers. It's a perfect car adapter plus charger all in one place, so you can charge your phone and play music with Bluetooth at the same time.